Christmas is round the corner and we have to make our Christmas puppets. Last year we made the Santa puppet, which was a finger and a stick puppet. And this year we come with a cute little dancing snowman puppet. Yes, making this cute little snowman is very easy. The materials you need are bottle caps, 2 of the same size and 1 a little bigger, some cotton, scissors, wool scraps. You need some pipe cleaners. You need different shape bindis or stickers. You need some white adhesive, 2 different colored origami sheets. You need a candle, a nail, and a skewer stick, and finally a matchbox. So let's begin. We begin by lighting the candle. Now it's time to heat your nail. Take the first lid. This is going to be your head. Next will be your body. And the third will be the base of the body. Let's take the head and drill a hole on the top of the lid. Like this. This is for the skewer stick to pass. So it shouldn't be too big or too small. It should fit the skewer very, very snugly. Can you see this? How it's fitting? Look at this. Now we need to dig another hole right at the bottom. So I'm heating the nail once again. Now I drill a hole on the side of the lid. Now I take the body and I drill the first hole again on the side of the lid. Match it with the head and drill a hole exactly at the bottom again. Can you see that? Now I'm going to the last part of the body, the base, and I'll drill a hole again on the side of the lid. Now I'll align them all together. Now this basic shape, you're getting it to understand how it's going to look. Now we need to work on the hands. Take the body and drill 2 holes at the sides of the lid where the pipe cleaners will fit. So now this lid has 4 holes, okay? Let's take some wool now. You could also use some thick thread. Pass it first through the body where there are 4 holes, that part of the lid. So I'm now using the top and the bottom and I'm going to attach it to the head like this. Now once it is attached, I need to tie a nice tight knot. 1 and 2. So my head and body have got fixed now. Can you see that? Now I need to fix the bottom. Similarly, I'm going to pass the thread in that hole and I'm going to nicely tie a knot. Yes. Secure it firmly. Now we need to work on the hands where we have made 2 extra holes, remember? This is the place where our pipe cleaner will pass through. Now bend it accordingly, okay? The way you want your hands. So as you can see, my basic structure is getting ready. Now we have to put some cotton. Take a thin, nice piece of cotton and we're going to start with the head. Take some white adhesive. Liberally pour it on the head lid. Spread it very well. Now fix your cotton on that. Now remember, your hands have glue, so cotton can stick on your fingers. So keep wiping your hand with a piece of cloth next to you. Nicely tuck in the cotton inside the lid. See how I'm doing it. Now time to work on the body. Follow the same procedure. Now a snowman is all covered. We can stuff some cotton at the back to make it look neater. You could also stuff some used paper if you want to. See, the basic structure is completely ready now. Time for the decorations. Let's start with the eyes. We go here and we go here. Yes, our eyes are ready. Now time for a beautiful smile. Take some small size stickers. And yes, we are getting our beautiful snowman smile now, right? Now for the buttons. Now we need a piece of origami paper to make a nose. Small pieces enough. Glue it and turn it into a cone. Now bend the tip slowly, the pointed part of the nose which you have just made, like this. Can you see this? Yes. Now put some glue here. And your snowman's face is ready to go. Handsome. Now for the hat. We got to make him more handsome. So I take another color origami paper now. I'm taking around 3 centimeter width by 6 centimeter length. If you want a bigger cap, you can take it by 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter if you wish to, or completely your choice, depending also on the lid size. Now I'm making some slits. So I'm putting 1 slit, 2 slits, 3 and 4. Yes, that's a cute little hat. Fix it with your adhesive. He's almost done. So let's make him a nice scarf. Cut a small strip. And now fix it around his neck and glue it. Wow, that looks warm. Our snowman is ready to groove and ready to sing the beautiful Christmas carols. Ho ho ho! Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone!